So this project is kind of giving me the blues like nobody's business today. So you hear my machine cutting. I decided to go with HTV on a canvas. So I have my HTV flipped over. It's like a lime green color that I'm using. So I mirrored it and everything is cutting out now. I really wanted to make one of these mugs that you see here, and I could have still put vinyl, HTV vinyl on a mug. I have done that before, but I decided just to go with the canvas to try to make my life a little bit easier today. And I'll probably try the mug again another day, but just so I can try to finish this project out and see how the weeding actually goes. That's what I'm trying right now. Okay, so I'm back with my vinyl. You may be able to see the image on here. What I like about using HTV is that it comes with its own carrier sheet, so it's a little bit easier, in my opinion, to weed it on its own carrier sheet. Now I have to turn my light down. I know that's not that great for viewing. You can actually see some of the cutouts here. Not that great for viewing, but I have to be able to see, so I'm going to weed through this. Let me see. Might be able to do some of it on camera. I know some people like to see weeding, find it soothing. So let's see what I can give you today. Alright, so got a little something here, got the outline. I'm going to finish this up and I'll be right back. Okay, I think I'm finally done weeding. So here is my final picture. Now, I ended up having to use two different weeding tools. I used my dental pick that you usually see me use. I ended up having to use the picker to get inside the little eyes. And I ended up having to use my tweezers to move some of these little pieces back where they were supposed to go. Now, I don't know if you can see, but there are probably here, right here, and I think down here somewhere, there were a couple spots that I lost a little tiny piece, but that's not a big deal to me. I do have my heat press mini set already, ready to go. And so I'm going to start pressing, I think. I don't want that to give in, so I'm going to fill it with something. So if you watch me for a while, I have all kinds of towels at my area. I usually keep some type of towel to press on just so I don't mess up my table. Alright, that's sturdy enough, I think. But you want to have something up underneath of this so that when you press down, it catches it and your canvas doesn't give. Now, because I made my image so large, turn the light back up for you guys. I hope that helps. Because I made my image so large, I'm going to hit some of the wood that is a part of the canvas. I think I told you guys before, what I like about HTV is that when it sticks, you see the carrier sheet lift up. So I'm twisting my iron only because I don't want it to just sit on the canvas with no carrier sheet. And I always tell you guys, I try to do better about pressing with my iron or pressing with my press instead of ironing it. And the difference is holding it and just pressing with pressure and moving it around. Okay, I think I got everything down. Woo! Look at me! I feel like I want to put, I'm famous. So I got all my pieces off of here. And there we go, that's my canvas. Yay, me. So there I am. From a photo to a canvas. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.